A very cheerful good morning, students. This is Bhupendra Singh Rai from CMA Institute. This is my third lecture on the number system, and today I will teach you the graphical representation of irrational number on the number line. Means, how can we represent irrational number like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, even root 8 on the number line. I will teach you two methods. One is from your NCRT methods and the another is from your RD Sharma's method. So whichever you find easy, you can adopt it. Let's begin. The very first, take a point O on a line. Now consider another point A, that is OA is 1 unit. Now take the same 1 unit on this point A in this manner. Actually, I am teaching free sketching. You people have to do it with the proper ruler and compass also. Now join this OA. Now you can see that you have a right triangle OAB. If OA is equal to 1 unit, AB is also your 1 unit, or we can say 1 centimeter, then in right triangle OAB, this and this is 1 centimeter, then how can we find this hypotenuse OB? It can be written as under root 1 square plus 1 square, and OB is equal to root 2. So this OB is equal to root 2. Now you have to draw the another 1 centimeter which is just perpendicular to this OB in this manner. Now join this, now consider it C. Now join this OC. If you observe very minutely, what you find in OBC, this is your OB is equal to root 2, BC is equal to 1. Then in right triangle OBC, OC become root 2 ka square plus 1 ka square. This OC becomes root 2 plus 1, means OC is equal to root 3. So this is your root 3. OC is equal to. Now again take a 1 centimeter which is just perpendicular to this OC, and now join these lines and you find it D. So if this is root 3, this is 1 unit, then it becomes your root 4, which is equal to 2. And if you have to find out, we have to represent root 5, then again draw a perpendicular on this line OD. Now join these points OE. This is your 1 unit. So this OE will represent your root 5. Now how can we represent this irrational number on these lines? Now I will teach you only the one single way. O as a center and OB as a radius. Take an arc and draw a circle. Let it intersect the number line at this point. Take it as a A1, Now this line will represent this O A dash will represent root 2. Similarly, O is a center and OC as an arc. Draw the another circle, let it intersect number line at this point. Consider it at A2. Now this O A2, it will represent root 3. Similarly, if we have to represent root 5, now taking O as a center and OE as a radius, draw the another circle, let it intersect at this point, take it as A3. Now this OA3 will represent your root 5. So this is a very easy manner. How can we represent the irrational numbers like root 2, root 3, root 5. Similarly, continuing this method, you can find root 7 as well as root 8 also. But in R.D. Sharma, what is the another way to draw the same thing? Here, just take a point O and take a point O and consider another point OA which is equal to 1 unit, and now draw a 1 unit at here which is perpendicular to this number line. Now join these points, you will find another triangle OAB. If O is equal to 1 centimeter, AB is equal to your 1 centimeter. So this OB will represent your root 2. Now what you have to do, taking O as a center and OB as a radius, draw a circle, let it intersect the number line at this point A1. Now what is the next step? You have to draw a perpendicular on this number line which is parallel to AB of the same 1 unit. Now join and consider it as a point C, and now join this OC. Now taking OC as a radius, draw the another arc, let it intersect the number line at A2. Now if OB is equal to root 2 means OA1 is also root 2. So in the triangle, in right triangle, what we find, if we find OA1 as a root 2 and A1C is equal to 1 unit, then it becomes your root 3. So this green line will represent your root 3, and here OA2 will represent your root 3. Similarly, draw another perpendicular on A2 which is parallel to your AB, In this manner, consider point D. Now join this OD. Now you have another right triangle in this manner, in which O and A2 is equal to root 3 and A2D is equal to 1, then it will represent root 4, which is equal to 2. So this line OD will represent your root 4 or 2. How can we represent it on line? Now taking A as a center and OD as a radius in this manner. Similarly, you can continue the same procedure to find root 5, root 7, root 8. Now let's consider the question number 3rd. We represent root 9.3 on a number line. How can we represent it? In this, to solve this question, consider a point A on number line and now take AB, which is equal to this given number 9.3. Now consider another point just 1 centimeter away from this B, let it BC, and this is your 1 centimeter. So very easy. The AB 9.3 centimeter, and consider another point which is 1 centimeter away from this B. This is your 1 centimeter. Now find the midpoint of this AC. So we have a perpendicular bisector, so we find the midpoint at here, and by considering, you know very well how can we draw the perpendicular bisector. We will take more than of this AC and let it intersect at this point. Now this is the midpoint. Take it as a O. Now taking O as a center and OC as a radius, draw a circle in this manner. Now from this point B, we have to draw a perpendicular on this OC. And how can you get it? In this manner, getting it here, cut it here, and from here and here, somewhere you will find in this manner. Let it intersect the semicircle at point D. Now taking B as a center and DB as a radius, draw a circle, let it intersect the number line at point E. Now this BE will represent the value of rational number root 9.3. So this is very easy. BD is equal to BE represented by 9.3. In this manner you can proceed further.